Morning children, this is Uma. Now we are going to see Science Chapter 1 Sense Organs Part 1. You know about some body organs present in our body. Here, can you see some images like heart, lungs, stomach, kidneys, liver and brain? Let's see about these organs. Heart. Heart helps in pumping blood to all over the body. Lungs. Can you identify picture of lungs? Yes. Lungs help us to breathe. Stomach. Stomach is a sac-like organ which helps in digesting food. Whichever food you are taking, that are broken into particles in our stomach. Kidneys. Kidneys help in removal of waste from our body. Liver. Liver plays a very important role in removal of toxic substances. If you feel sick, definitely you go to doctor and doctor will prescribe some medicines which may contain some toxic substances. That toxic substances are removed out of a body in liver. Brain. It helps us to think and do some mathematical sums such as addition, subtraction, division and recall some incidents. Can you see all these organs in your body? No, because these are present inside our body. That is why these organs are called as internal organs. Internal organs are vital organs. Vital means important. Here, let's see about external organs. External organs are part of a body which are visible. Among them, we are focusing on sense organs. These are eyes, ears, skin, tongue and nose. Our eyes help us to see wonderful world. Ears help us to hear sounds. Skin helps us to feel. Tongue helps us to taste and speak. And nose helps us to smell. Are you ready to learn new words in this chapter? Sense organs. Sense organs are body organs that receive sensation from our surroundings. There are 5 senses: sight, taste, touch, smell and sound. Sensation. The feeling that you get when surroundings affect your body. Here, this man is hearing loud sound. If you look at his face, you can see the expression of same. Saliva. A watery liquid present in a mouth. This boy has a donut in his hand. He couldn't control his desire to taste and drooling liquid out of his mouth. That liquid is called saliva. Cell. The smallest unit of a body. Children, have you ever visited construction site? In construction site, people use bricks or blocks to make a beautiful building. Similarly, our body is made up of cells which are arranged on one another. We cannot see our body cells with our eyes. We need a special instrument called microscope. Through microscope, one can easily view very minute microorganisms like bacteria and virus. Sensitive. One who can readily feel sensation. You might have seen some people that they are highly sensitive. That is, they would react very soon for a particular incident. Hearing aid. Have you seen people with hearing aid in our society? People who have difficulty in hearing use an instrument called hearing aid. Here, I have given you some questions. Question number 1. Write any 3 internal organs. Number 2. Which organ helps to see wonderful world? Number 3. Define sensation. Number 4. Name the device used to view cell. Number 5. What is hearing aid? Write your answers in an A4 sheet or in a separate notebook. Thank you.